This conference will now be recorded.
So now 1D delete the first line. See 3D deletes the third line. So 1D deletes the first line. If you want to delete the last line, $D. This is how. If you give -I option, then the content will be deleted from the original file. Output it doesn't display. It doesn't display any output. But content will be deleted from the original file, right? For example, you see emp data cs, just cat emp data cs. I'm copying that. I'm copying the file emp cs dot data. Now cat emp cs dot data. This is the content, right? What I want to delete scd hyphen I. What I want to delete uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is 7. 7 is the Scott, double 7, double 8. Okay. 7D. What is the file name? emp cs dot data. Is it giving any output? No, it's not giving any output. But you see this? Is it deleted or not? Double 7, double 8 is no more, right? That line is deleted from the file. So -I option, if you use, it permanently deletes the line. Got it? So first line to last line. One is for first line, dollar is for last line. So starting to ending, all the lines it will display, all the lines of the file it will display, delete, right? Because -D is for delete, -I is for permanent impact. So 5 comma 8, fifth line to eighth line it will delete, right? Now let us see. Now this is the data, EMPCS. This is the data, right? What I want to do, EMPCS dot data. This is the file. Now it is deleted. Now you see those lines are deleted or not, fifth line to eighth line. What is fifth line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth line is Blake. 5, 6, 7, 8 Turner. Are they deleted or not? Jones, after Jones directly it is going to the Adam. Fifth line to eighth line is deleted permanent from the file or not? But originally this command is not giving any output. But original file, in the original file, data gets deleted. Got it? No, sir, I want to delete only second line, fourth line, specific lines only. So this is the way. This way you can delete it. Got it? Please write down this also. Previous one is deleting a range of the lines, but this is only specified lines. Okay? And mostly this SCD we will use for find and replace. SCD in real time, mostly the people use for find and replace. A replacing purpose mostly. Here, what is the file I am using? So test data one, test data one, test data two, test dot data is there. Cat test data one dot txt. This is the actually file. Kelly Technologies, Kelly Software, Kelly Training, Kelly Hyderabad, Kelly Bangalore, Kelly Guntur, Kelly DevOps Training, something. This is my file. In this file, I want to search for Kelly. S for search. Please observe, S for search. Slash source means you are searching for what? Kelly. I want to replace with what? Srini. G for global, that means all occurrences, affects all occurrences. Understand? Understand? Now you look at this. Let me check this 2 also. The same data, test data 1.txt, test data 2.txt, both are same, right? Yeah. Now you run this code. Hmm? Going only. Okay. Now you say I'm searching for Kelly, replace with the Srini, right? All occurrences. All occurrences. Is it replaced or not? Is it replaced in original file? Cat test data 1.txt. Original is as it is, but in the output it is finding for Kelly. Wherever the search word is found, all occurrences, it is replaced, right? G for global. Suppose I did not give this G, I doesn't give this G, what happens? Only first occurrence, in every line only first occurrence is replaced, the remaining occurrences are ignored. Once it is found Kelly, replaced, done, next go for second line. Once it is found, replaced, done. Once it is found, replaced. But remaining occurrences of the same line, it is not found, right? If you want in the line, in the every line, every occurrence, all the occurrences, you have to give the G, that is global. Okay? This is very simple then. This is temporary, hyphen, this GI, if you give GI, ignore the case. If you observe, here Kelly I am giving in the capital letters, right? Kelly I am giving in the capital letters. This is the original data. I gave in capital letters, but I am not giving GI, just I gave G. Anything is replaced? No, because it is not matching. Because Kelly capital letters I gave, but available is small letters, so it doesn't match. So if you want to ignore the case, you give GI, is even though it is other case, different case, it is matching or not by ignoring the case. Got it? Search and replace. Hyphen I is for permanent effect. So this modification is permanently affected on the file. This is only for display. These commands are only displaying. But this command doesn't display, but it will do the changes in the file. The original file data get modified. Now what is this? You observe? You observe what is this? Hyphen S. Cap dollar. Cap dollar. Starting to ending. Starting to ending. Cap is starting, dollar is ending. Starting to ending, it is empty. Starting to ending, it is empty, suppose. So empty lines are there. Empty lines are there. Empty lines are filled with this one. See, test1 dot data. Let us see. cat test1 dot data. See, blank lines are there in between. Technologies, training, blank lines are there. What I am giving here, SCD hyphen S. What I am giving here, what I am giving here, observe. What I am giving here, cap dollar. Is it? Same thing, let us give cap dollar. I want to replace with Srinivas. Okay. All occurrences. Now you see. Oh, sorry. Not this one, this file. What is the file? Test1 dot test1 dot data. Now wherever the empty blank line is there, blank line is filled with the Srinivas or not? Okay. Now cat test1 dot data. Is it permanent or is it temporary? It's only for output. If you give hyphen I option, then it will become permanent. Hyphen I option, then permanently file is get affected, right? Original data is get modified. Observe here, this is the starting, this is the ending pattern. This is the starting, this is the ending. Please observe. See SED. Now look at this, SCD hyphen I. S is for search. S is for search. But you observe this part, this much part, right? This much part. So actually that is slash less than beginning point. Slash less than beginning. Slash greater than, slash greater than is ending. Understand? Slash less than is beginning, slash less than is ending. Either single pattern or multiple patterns you can specify here. So in between, I gave Kelly, that is pattern, right? In between, I gave Kelly, that is a pattern. Understand? This way you try to understand this. Otherwise, definitely you will confuse. What is this slash less than Kelly slash greater than? If you look at this directly, you may not be able to understand. It's like a jumbling, something heavy right here. But please understand, this is the starting, this is beginning, this is ending, in between pattern. In between pattern. So here two slashes are given. Do you understand me? Here two slashes are given. Why two slashes are given here? Here it's supposed to be in between the two slashes. Your destination string must be given, right? You are searching for what, Kelly? You want to replace with what? Nothing. If you want to replace with something, you can give the something over there. But here it is nothing. I don't want to give anything. That's why two slashes over there. In between is the slashes, nothing, right? So syntax already you observed, already you have gone through SCD. Of course, hyphen I is the option only, okay, for the permanent impact. S is for search. S is for search. Slash, then slash. So here is the source. Here is the source. That means the set string. Search keyword. Search pattern. Got it? After slash, replace text. You want to replace with what? Replace with text. Slash. After that, if you don't want a global impact, don't give the G. If you want a global impact, give the G, right? This is what the text pattern, what you are searching for. This is the text. You are replacing that with what? Got it? At present, I don't have any replace text. I don't have any replace text. Search text is there. This is the search text. Replace text is not given. GI, global ignore case. Global ignore case. So what happens in this case? So all the occurrences of Kelly will be deleted. Delete every occurrence of the given text. Every Kelly will be deleted. Got it? Understand? Yeah. So here cat test dot data. Here it is there. So cat test dot data. Copy test one dot data. Now test one dot data. This is the data in this. What I want to do? SCD hyphen I, then S slash, what is this? Slash, this slash less than, right? What do you want to? Capital letters I am giving. Of course, capital letters or small letters, anything, because if you give GI, it will ignore the case. It will ignore the case. Then again slash greater than, right? Then slash. So destination, nothing. Destination, nothing. Then GI. Then single quotes close. Then file name. Test1 dot data. Right? Now it display Kelly is deleted or not. All occurrences of Kelly is deleted from the file or not. Understand now? Did you understand this pattern? Search and replace. See what is this? All small letters. All small letters means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits word will be deleted. Same previous thing, but here specifically I specified Kelly here. But here what I am giving? Wildcard. All small letters, 5 digits. All small letters, 5 digits. Suppose if I give like this, what happens? Four-digit numerical values will be deleted, right? Four-digit numerical value. If at all in your file, any four-digit numbers are there, those four-digit numbers will be get deleted. This is how you can extract the data. You can do the changes in the file. You can replace the data. You can delete the data. This kind of activity we can do SCD, set editor. This is SCD. Of course, in real time, somehow SCD will be used. Okay. In interviews, they will ask you, I have 20 lines in a file. I want fifth line. How can you get? Most of the people says that head 20, pipe, tail 1. Cat file name, pipe head 20, pipe tail 1. That gives you 20th line. SCD, what can you do? SCD hyphen N 20p file name. It will give you the directly 20th line or not, like that. Okay, this is SCD editor. యూనిక్స్ ఒక్కటి ఇవన్నీ సరిగ్గా నేర్చుకుంటే చాలు. సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఫీల్డ్ని ఏ టూల్ అయినా ఏదైనా సరే దున్నేయచ్చు. అంటే బుర్ర పనిచేస్తుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ క్లియర్. SCD you understand? Of course, only on SCD, a big book is also there. I shared those books to you. Okay, so you can go through the books and enhance your skills further. Varieties of logics on SCD. Next, we have AWK. AWK awk. ఇది యాక్చువల్లీ ఏడబ్ల్యూకే అంటే ఏం లేదు, నథింగ్. ద క్రియేటర్స్ నేమ్స్ టుగెదర్, ఫస్ట్ లెటర్స్ దే హ్యావ్ టేకెన్, గివెన్ దట్ ఏడబ్ల్యూకే. ఓకే, it is for selection and searching. So here you can use -f, -fs like this. But you see, just student data, one file I have. So cat std data dot txt. This is the student data. Understand? AWK, here I write print, simple print, print all the lines from what file? std data dot txt. Is it displaying all the lines or not? All the lines. If you give $0, display all the columns. $0 indicates display all the columns. Understand? AWK. If you give $0, that means all the columns. All the columns, all the lines, right? Automatically all the lines, here all the columns. Understand? No, sir, I don't want all the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are there. I want a second column and a fourth column. I want a second column. Suppose you want a third column, $3 gives you third column only. $3 gives you third column only, right? Understand? Suppose I am giving $2, $4. So second column and fourth column it is displaying. Understand? So $0 for all the columns. Then $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, those are the column IDs. So what column you want to display? Either single column you want to display or multiple columns you want to display, you can display like this. Okay, here you observe. So print the particular lines, print command, right? Here you see searching. I am searching for IT. Wherever the pattern IT matching, it will display. Wherever the pattern A matching, it will display. Wherever the pattern CSC matching, it will display. Now let you execute this. It will display only the lines having keyword IT. Pattern IT is matching. Only it will display that, right? Understand? Only CSC you want. CSC you want. See, only CSC. Okay. Only capital A you want. Here you specify the pattern A. Only capital A it will display, right? If you specify the pattern B, only capital B. Wherever the pattern is matching, it is searching for the pattern, and in which line the pattern is matching, it will display the line, right? It will display the line, but I don't want all the line. I want $3, $1, $5. I want only those things it will display, right? Are you clear? Yeah. Now in the fifth column only, see in this search, here you are searching for IT or not, pattern matching, anywhere, where anywhere. You are searching for capital A or not, matching the pattern capital A or not, where anywhere in the file, anywhere in the line, right? Similarly, CSC, where anywhere in the line. But if you give like this, within the fifth column only, match the A. Within the fifth column only, match the A. If it is matching, give the data. Now look at this. So it is giving you all A matching, A matching. Suppose here instead of 5, I will give you 2. I will give you 2. Is it giving output? No, because in the second column A is not matching, capital A is not matching. In the fifth column, yes, it is matching, right? That's right. Only it will search for the matching within the fifth column only. Fifth column in the sense, fifth column. If you give 3, third column only, right? Understand? In the specified column only. 4. What is 4? $4. What is $5? Fifth column. What is this $4? Fourth column. If fourth column value is greater than 6, then only you display. This is not 4 greater than 6. This is fourth column is greater than 6, right? What is fourth column? This number, right? See all the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth column, this is the data. Fourth column, this is the data. But fourth column greater than 6 should be displayed. Fourth column greater than 6 only it is giving or not. If you give equal to 6, only those are equal to 6 it is giving or not. Less than 6. What is the difference between equal to 6, less than 6? In case of greater than, it is checking the condition. In case of equal to, it is setting the value over there, right? Suppose you are giving less than or equal to 6. Do you understand the difference between single equal to? Single equal to is assignment operator, right? Suppose you want to compare equal to, double equal to you give, wherever the 6 is matching, the fourth line, fourth column is equal to 6, the condition is matching, then only you display, right? Like this, conditionally, you can get the data. Understand this? Understand this? Syntax you see, so AWK, this is the print, selection criteria, then what to do, action. Okay, like this. Print is the action. Before that, whatever we are giving is the selection criteria, right? Then what is this? $2. What is $2? Second column. Second column. What is this cap V beginning with V? What is this cap S beginning with S? What is this R dollar ending with R? What is this A dollar ending with A? Got it? So display in the second column, values are beginning with V. Display in the second column, values are beginning with S. In the second column, values are ending with R. In the second column, values are ending with the A. Okay. Do you want to see? Now you see beginning with V it is giving. Beginning with V it is giving. beginning with S it is giving. Okay. So now A dollar ending with A it is giving. Understand, guys? Like this you can get the data. What does it mean? Multiple. And operator, or operator, right? So ending with the R, second column ending with R, and also third column is IT. Second column ending with R, and also third column is IT, right? Now look at this. Second column ending with R or not, Kumar? The third column is IT or not? Clear? What is this? Second column ending with R, otherwise third column is IT. Either that or this. Either that or this. Here instead of AND operator, I will give OR operator. Two ampersand symbols is the AND operator, two pipe symbols is the OR operator. Either that or this. Here it is ending with R as well IT. Here IT but not ending with R, right? Here it is ending with R, but IT is not matching. Either any one condition is okay. Any one condition is okay, right? This is not ending with R, but third column is IT, right? Either this condition or this condition. Got it? Understand? Yeah. CNR, that is number of the record, number for the records. Number for the records. So for every record, a unique number is given. That is NR. These are the built-in awk variables. Now you run this. So this is the data, but here you see serial numbers are given or not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, right? Of course, for our understanding, I give row 1, row 2, row 3 this is, but before that, at the beginning, it is giving the line number, right? There is a row number, number for the row NR, number for the record, number for the record. We don't understand in our regular usage a number of records in the sense total count of the records, right? But number of record. So for every record there will be a number. Okay, number for the record. Got it. That is the number of record. So if you give print NR, what happens? What is the difference between $0? $0 display all the columns, right? I'm not giving $0. I'm not giving $0. So it doesn't display data. $0 I'm not giving. See, only numbers it is displaying. Print NR. Only numbers it is displaying, right? Row numbers it is displaying. It is something like row number in the SQL, right? If you know. Number for the row. End means ending number. What is the ending number? Ending number is 8, right? Ending number is 8. So in this example, selection criteria you give end, that gives ending number only, ending record number only, right? Are you clear? Yeah. This is NR variable. See, NR greater than 4, NR less than 4. So it will display up to 4th row. From the 4th row. It will display up to 4th row, right? Like this also you can see. AWK NR less than 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will display. What we are giving? NR less than 4, right? Display only 1, 2, 3. Suppose if you give greater than 4, greater than or equal to 4 is also included. Got it? Are you clear? Like this. So based on line number, if the condition is satisfied, you can do that. This is skipping the rows. Only even rows I want to display. Only the row numbers divisible with 3 I want to display, right? Like that. Omit the row. Omit the row in the sense even rows it will ignore, it will omit. Okay, so by using these operations we can omit the rows. Now you observe. Now you see second one is ignored, fourth one is not there, sixth one is not there, eighth one is not there, right? So which row number is divisible with 2, that is ignored, because that operation gives you 0, right? That operation gives you 0. For example, instead of this calculation here, just I give 0, nothing is displayed. Just I give 1, everything is displayed. Okay, if I give 0, nothing is displayed. If I give 1, everything is displayed, right? Understand? So here some operation I am doing, it produce the 0 or 1 something. So then it depends on that. Wherever it gives 0, it omit the record. Okay, if it gets 0, it omit the record. Like this, your own logic, any logic you can use. Here I am showing you the modulus logic. Any other logic you can use here. Got it? So NF, this is NR, this is NF. Number of non-empty fields. Number of non-empty fields. So how many fields are there? How many fields contains the data? If you observe, see, I am giving just NF. So every row is having 5 columns. Of course, as per our data file concern, every row is having 5 columns, right? Along with this, I want to display data also $0, all columns. $0. In this row, how many columns are there? 5 columns are there. In this row, like this. Let us see vi std data.txt. You just observe. Here I am giving something like 90. Okay. Here I am giving something like 89, 89, 22, something I give, right? 89, 22, something I give. Now look at this. Here how many columns are there? 6 columns are there. Here how many columns are there? 7 columns are there, right? In the row how many columns are there? It gives you that. That is what? NF. That's what NF. If you don't give this $0, then it gives the only column count of the every row. Column count of the every row. Are you clear? Understand? End in the sense ending, last line count. Last line count. See, this is NF. So starting line to ending line. Okay, starting line, comma, ending line, like this. Starting line, $1 is the starting line. Print last column, NF, $NF prints last column. $1 slash T in the sense cap space. Then $NF, first and last columns, $1 comma NF, first and last column, $1 space NF, first and last. Of course, if you give slash T, that's why it takes the tab space. If you give comma, it takes the single space. If you don't give that, it doesn't take any space. Got it? This is from the last column, second, last before, from the last second column, from the last second column. Okay, like this. So here NR, what is NR? Record number with the number of fields, NF number of fields. So I am printing record number and also I am printing number of fields, both. Got it? Let you see this. So file name also you want to include, you can include file name also. Let us execute this command. Now you look at this file name. So first row, how many columns? Second row, how many columns? Third row, 6 columns. Fourth row, 5. Fifth row, 5. Sixth row, 7 columns are there. Like this. The file name and multiple file names also you can give. For example, here dept data.txt. It gives the information about the second dept data file also, right? Understand both files together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12. So row numbers. So here how many columns are there? Only 3 columns are there, right? Like this you can get. So FNR gives you record number for each file. Record number for each file. File name FNR I am executing. So multiple files I am giving. Just you observe. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 7, 8. This is one file. Second file again begin with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But above case you see record numbers are given. But combinedly it is given. The difference between above case and this case you observed or not? What is FNR? You understood now? Okay. These are a couple of built-in variables and OFS output field separator. Suppose you want to prepare delimited. This is the data I want to pipe delimiter. The delimiter you can specify like this. Now you observe the output. Output gives the delimiter pipe or not. Originally that is tab space. Originally in the file that is tab space. You see. Originally this is normal space, but here I don't want space, I want pipe symbol, then OFS I can specify. Of course I don't want pipe symbol, I want hyphen. OFS you can specify, whatever delimiter you want you can specify over there, right? Like this some tabular format data processing kind of operations can be done using AWK. Okay, if you want to enhance your skills, AWK is almost something like your shell scripting. Again, it has if conditions, while loop, that also there. So you can enhance. Of course, syntaxes, everything is similar, but more practice gives you the perfection. Okay, this is about AWK overview. All of you clear? Understand? Yeah, for this only, actually, I ask you to come. Okay, SCD and AWK, but SCD and AWK is very important, and in real time most of the cases, mostly they will ask AWK and SCD in interviews also. Couple of questions they will ask, how do you solve this using AWK? For the data processing purpose, AWK is very important. For the searching purpose and extraction purpose, SCD is important. For the extraction purpose, you can use AWK also. Got it? Replacing the data, that operations we can use SCD. Okay, that purpose. Then grep, E grep, F grep, sort, unique, TR, more, PG, less. These all things already we discussed. These are filters already we discussed. The pipe symbol, these all things, shell scripting, these all things already we discussed. Okay. Yeah, that's all, guys. And of course, in the Google Classroom, one more document I will upload. One more material I will upload. So
So for Linux, I think
altogether,
you,
step by step, if you practice, you can become more perfect in Linux and shell scripting. Okay,
sir, am I audible, sir? Hello?
that's all, guys. Then, okay, fine.
Hello? Hello?
Online guys, do you have any questions?
Sir, am I audible, sir? Hello? Hello? Hello, sir, am I
Okay,
audible?
fine. Then all the best. That's all about our Linux and shell scripting. Okay, thank you.